So I want to talk to you about this update. I've had this window well cover for about almost 2 years now. It's perfectly, works fantastic as you can see here. This is great for areas that get a lot of rain, a lot of snow. If you're looking to protect your basement windows from rusting from the whale wells area, from the window wells, you want to definitely use something like this. High quality construction, very thick. You want a high quality PETG kind of quality. So you need that to really get that quality. Super important. You can see how it's done. You see how we install it. Just use some caulking. Very easy to do, as you can see all around. It's been working very well for quite a long time now. So I just wanted to make this updated video. Do not buy the thin stuff. It just breaks the sun, just destroys it. And you don't want to do that. So you want the heavy, thick gauge. The thicker, the better. And they last the longest. That way, if something bounces off of it, won't crack it. Installing it, just so caulking, as you can see all around here. So fairly easy install and definitely a lifesaver when it comes to water penetration, especially in the whale well area. So make sure you caulk it, and sometimes the caulking will wear out a little bit like here. So I'm just going to do some recaulking and just fix that up, which is not a big deal. And it's actually in very, very good condition. So I wanted to just give you this update. Again, this is a few years old and no issues whatsoever. So go ahead and purchase it. I recommend it. Thanks for watching this quick review.